Inside the Hangar tab, you'll find a list of your hangars along the left side. New hangars can be created in the Utilities tab under the Hangar Creator option. Hangars that are no longer needed can be removed from the list by swiping right to left on its name. You choose a hangar by touching its name in the list. The large gray area to the right is where your hangar will be displayed. The darker area around the perimeter of the hangar indicates a safety zone which was defined in the Utilities tab under the Preferences option. By default, the major grid lines on the floor represent 10 feet and the minor ones represent 2 feet. These can be configured in the Utilities tab under the Preferences option. The yellow and black dashed line represents the door opening. The buttons along the bottom offer different functions for the aircraft that are in the hangar. The Move button will allow you to move the selected aircraft from the current hangar to any other hangar or ramp. The Status button will allow you to change the status of the selected aircraft. Status categories are customizable in the Utilities tab under the Preferences option. The Display button will display the tail number of each aircraft in the hangar superimposed on the image of the aircraft. The Remove button will allow you to remove the selected aircraft or all the aircraft from the hangar. Note that all the buttons other than the Display button require you to have a selected aircraft first. You select an aircraft by double tapping it. When you select an aircraft, its image turns blue and its tail number will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. You unselect an aircraft by double tapping it again or by selecting a different aircraft. To move an aircraft inside the hangar, select it and drag it with your finger. To rotate an aircraft, select it and place 2 fingers anywhere on the screen and rotate them. Double tapping the hangar floor will present a display showing the hangar size in square feet, the square footage being occupied by aircraft, and the percentage of available space used. If the box is red, your utilization of the space is poor. If the box is orange, your utilization is fair. If the box is green, your utilization is good. The definition of poor, fair, and good are customizable in the Utilities tab under the Preferences option. Double tap the hangar floor again to dismiss the display. Holding your finger down on an aircraft will present a display showing all the information pertaining to that aircraft: make and model, tail number, dimensions, owner, notes pertaining to this aircraft, and an indicator showing whether the aircraft is part of your fleet or not. The notes are editable by tapping inside the light blue notes area. When you're finished editing the notes, you can dismiss the keyboard by touching the key in the lower right corner of the keyboard. If the display is obstructing your view, you can drag it with your finger to a better location in the hangar. To dismiss the display, hold your finger down on the aircraft until the display goes away.